Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stream on Twitch on your PlayStation 4. So the first thing you want to do is link Twitch. So you want to go on over to settings right here, go to account management, and then go to linked services. And under here, you're going to have the option to link like YouTube, Twitch, and some other means. But just link your Twitch account to your PlayStation 4. So you can see Twitch right here. And I don't think I have anything linked under here, so I'm going to have to sign in with my email address and password for Twitch. And then just go to link. So let's do that. And this is pretty much the only step that you need. So once you log in, it becomes very easy. Now you can't start streaming until you actually open up a game. So I'll have to go to a game now and then start that up. So yeah, I have Minecraft over here, so I'm going to switch over to my other account. So I'm going to go to switch users and go to my main account and then start up a game. And I believe Twitch is already linked to this account. So you can also do this in Share Factory. So let's just go to maybe Minecraft and start this up. So when you have the application opened up, you can hold down the share button. So if you hold this down right here, it says it can't display the menu right now, but just give it a second when it's not in a cutscene. You hold this down. It'll give you the option to broadcast the gameplay. So we can just go to broadcast gameplay. We can choose YouTube or Twitch. Since we have this link to our account now, it should be able to just start streaming. There we go. So we can decide if we want to use a camera. We can include the microphone audio, and then we can display messages to spectators in the comments. So that's going to give us a little box on the right side where we can see if someone is commenting. We can get rid of that. You can see it will take up the entire screen then. Otherwise, we're going to need another display to read the comments. And then you can change the title for it. If you have good internet, just go up to the highest at 720 at 60. That should be good. And then you can send invitations to people. And you can press options now for additional settings. So if you want to include people's chat, like the audio chat in here, you can do that if they allow share party audio on their settings too. And then you got messages to spectators or comments to speech. It'll read out the comments in your headset. So you can disable it right there. And then just go to start broadcasting, and then you'll be on Twitch live streaming. So it's very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.